guys, it's me, Ayesha Naomi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're making foam friend craft cake, but this is different. This is a unicorn. In our last video, we made this kitty and this flamingo. So we will make this one, and I want this princess because it's super cute and super yellowy, and I will do this in the next video. So guys, let's open it. Oh, you just only to just peel and stick. It's easy and fun for ages 4 up. So here's a unicorn. Just peel and stick, okay guys? Now let's make it. Where is the sticky one? So here it is, guys, and now I don't want to trash this one. So mom, can you hold it? Here's all we need. What is this? I think this is a horn. No, this is not that one. Oh, here's the unicorn. You just only to put right there. Here's our glitter foam. Shoo! This is glitter foam, okay guys? Glitter. This is purple glitter foam. This is pink foam. And this is white foam. So let's set aside these ones. So here is the blind bag. Let's open it because all the mini pieces are there. Ooh, be careful guys to take it off. Oh, there's a googly eye. I have no third eye, guys, okay? That's not real. That's not real. So here guys, here's what is this? Yellow glitter foam. Here's the gem. Be careful of these gems, okay guys? Okay, set aside. And the googly eyes. Here's the dark pink foam. And dark pink foam and white foam. So, and I will show you how to make it. So guys, let's stick the body, this white foam right here. Now let's get the pink foam right here. And you see a white paper at the back. You just only need to peel like that. There. Now let's put perfect and gentle. Let's put it perfect. Oh, the ear is not perfect. There, like that. Now I think we need to get this. So let's see the paper. Where's the paper? I'll just be right back. Got it. Here's the paper. Oh, this is the wings. But first, let's get the purple. That is the hair. Here's the hair. Peel. And put it right here, I think. Oh yeah, it fits though. Like that. Now let's get one more hair. There, here's the unicorn hair. Put it nice and gently. Oh no. There. Now let's get the like these ones, those are the feet, unicorn feet. Hey. And I don't, oh, this is the tail. Let's put the tail, guys, okay? There. Now let's get the other one's foot. There's one. There's two. And the last but not least, where's the 5? You know where it is, guys? Those are... Oh, found it. I'm only looking at the side. There. A lot of glitter. Now let's get this one. The wing, I think. The wing. And let's put it right here. Nice and careful. There. Now we need... Oh, this is later. Okay, guys, this is later. Let's get these ones. You see something right here? That is the ears. You need to get the ears and put it. Just like that. Now let's get the star for his cutie mark. There, cutie mark. Now let's get her mouth. Mouth. There. Oh, there's one more purple thingy that I don't know. Oh, right there. That is the nose. Now let's put the nose. Now let's... So you see this one, okay? You just only... Oh, you need the white thingy. Let's get first the white. Here's the horn. Here is the horn. And you just only to put it right here, perfect and nicely. Like that. And now put the stars like, here's some white stars so you can put it all. Now let's get these ones. So it's community parts of me. So there. 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 Now let's get the gems. Gem number 1. Gem number 2. Hey, gem number 2. There it is. They are them. Now let's put some pink. Pink stars, I think. Yeah, pink stars. And here's the cheeks. Now let's get the googly eyes. No need glue, okay guys, because this has a double-sided tape hiding in it. Right there. Right there. It's look cute. Now let's get the stars. Put the stars. Oh, all stars. Mini stars. Where's star? Now let's get the white. Put. There. And that looks done. Ooh, super glittery. And the googly eyes too. Here it is. The unicorn. Super cute. Oh, I need it. You're super cute. Oh, I will make a video show. Show is passing time to 1 minute. Hi guys, it's me, Unicorn. And I am showing. Giddy up, giddy up. Giddy, 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 giddy. I have a cool horn. have a yellow wing and a hair unicorn. Guys, please subscribe right there in my top of my head, and please subscribe, share right there, and leave the comments down below. Okay guys, and see you guys next time. Bye, and I hope you like my video. Bye. Bye.